nga no, try ko. Gagawa ako ng series about finding my purpose in life. But before that, let me tell you my story. It's been about 8 years when I first stepped into the working world. And honestly, when I look back, it feels like a lifetime of lessons to be packed into less than a decade. I was only 16 when I got my first taste of what it meant to hustle. I was fourth year high school sa Camarines Sur National High School when I joined multi-level marketing business. At that young age, I found myself in rooms with people twice my age. You know, learning how to talk, connect, and most importantly, how to believe in myself. At that young age, I met different people with different ages. Doon ko na-realize na mahirap yung buhay. At doon ko mas naintindihan na habang tumatanda ako, mas tumatanda yung parents ko. And then in college, I juggled part-time jobs to support my studies. It was tough, but I knew I had to keep moving forward. Sumasama ako dati sa isang medical team kung saan yung company is nakakontrata siya sa mga congressman, and then pumupunta kami sa mga liblib na lugar to conduct medical mission, drug test, and etc. And then nung third year college ako, naging sales representative ako sa isang private company. Nagbebenta kami ng Face ID system with payroll, yung mas mapapadali yung trabaho nila sa mga LGUs. Ako din yung nagsaset ng appointment, ako yung naghahabol sa mga mayors, no, para makakuha ng appointment or sa mga representative nila. Tapos dun ko na-survive yung college days kasi nung college ako, halos sabay-sabay kami nila kuya, ni ate. Si ate criminology, si kuya engineering, tapos ako education. Tapos biglang nag-pandemic, no? Suddenly, the world stopped. No work, no pay. But I didn't let that happen. My cousin recommended me to Dingwei in Makati. I grabbed that with both hands. And then after several months, I quit. I felt like it was time for a new step. So I sent my CV to KRB under SMDC and I got hired. Na-assign ako sa Air Residence Makati. So syempre, pakitanggilas ako nun. Not long after, I was promoted to supervisor. It was those moments where I could finally tell myself, your hard work is paying off. But I didn't stop there. I took another leap of faith. I flew to Dubai, chasing a new chapter, a new culture, a new responsibilities, and a new challenges. And right now, I'm on a new contract, but with a deeper goal in mind, not just work, but to find my ultimate purpose in life. So, this journey, these 8 years weren't always smooth, but they were real. I've met all kinds of people, taken different paths, made mistakes, learning hard lessons, and grown in ways I never expected. But, you know, the story isn't finished yet. I'm still writing mine. But now I walk with more clarity. I'm not just building a career, I'm building life that aligns with who I truly am.